Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a car brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales. BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-quality product and service. The bloxsport active cooling Mercedes E-Class wheel spacer have a global pattern active cooling design. The bloxsport active cooling Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute impeded shape. These rules allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when rotate. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of activating heat for the braking system. All BONOSS E-Class wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of material we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, and another is aluminum alloy 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, and the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And match also grade 10 laminate. The matching inside the laminate uses 40 cool material by continuously forging process. And also grade 12.9 wheel stud. The material bolt uses SCM440 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 HGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provides OEM ODM service and customization service. You can customize the wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. And you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3mm to 160mm and PCDCB composition. BONOSS has a complete Mercedes E-Class wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustments. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our product and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have tried supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. BONOSS Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. BONOSS wants to provide more additional functions for the Mercedes E-Class wheel spacers and make the wheel spacers safer, high performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious value. BONOSS, full review.